If you can blow up this balloon without putting your mouth on it, without blowing on it, without using no air pumps, no machinery, filling it up with water or anything like that, then I'll give you $100, all right?
You're betting hundreds now?
Yeah, girl, if I bet more, I'm going to win more. Because if you can't do it, you got to give me $100, all right? All right? So go ahead. Remember, I said you cannot blow on it and you cannot fill it up with water. Say. You're doing too much, you know that? There's no way you're gonna blow the balloon up. Unless you're worried out. You think you're the Avatar, you're just gonna air, fire. Ooh.
It's not working.
It's not?
Just kidding.